I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another all about subscription box. This is a lifestyle box and every month they have a different theme. And the box is always like super bulging out, which I think is hysterical. Okay, so let's see. Oh, how cute, look at this. There's a little snowflake on there, do you see that? That's so pretty. What is in here? I'm gonna get out my paper because I always feel like I'm fuddling about not knowing what anything is. December is all about winter's wonderland. Holly days and snowy nights. With the holiday season in full swing, I thought this would be a perfect box to include items to bring out the joys of the season. No matter which holiday you celebrate, I hope you all enjoy winter's wonderland, snowy nights, and what I consider the most wonderful time of the year. Is this a blanket? Oh. Oh, how fun. I love the design on this. It kind of looks like snowy nights, right? I love the blue and the swirls, and it's a nice fuzzy, what is this, like fleece or something? Let's see, I'm gonna actually read this. Fleece Throw, that must be what this is. This 50 by 60 inch soft fleece throw will come in handy on those chilly days or snowy nights where all you want to do is curl up with a good book. Keep this in your living room, bedroom, or even your car to be sure you always stay warm. Okay, let's see, what is this? Snow and pine, air, and linen mist. Ooh, fun. Let's see, what does it smell like? It's crisp, woodsy, and just a hint of sweetness. It's like playing in the snow on a perfect warm winter day. Okay, let's see, let's give it a whiff. Oh yeah, I definitely smell that pine. It is just a little bit sweet. That smells nice, I like it. Yeah, I can see that. Ooh, some earrings. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Vinylit Creations red and black buffalo plaid deer earrings. Guys, look at these earrings. How cute are these earrings? Okay, let me swap out my earrings here. These are like the same shape and size. That's funny. I can still smell that linen spray. It smells really good. Better than I thought it would. Sometimes pine things just don't smell good to me, but this one smells good. I think it's that sweet freshness. Ah, how cute! They kind of go with what I'm wearing too. Aren't those adorable? Oh, I love them. So cute. A rolling pin. Folk pattern, small engraved rolling pin. This is another Etsy one. Oh my gosh, let's see, let's see. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this. Oh, wow. It's one of those ones where you roll it and it makes a pattern. This is so cool, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited about this. What a neat rolling pin. Oh, this box is amazing. Okay, and then plaid blanket scarf. So it is a blanket and a scarf. Look at this thing. This is amazing. 2 blankets in this thing, and you could use it easily, you know, as a wrap, a scarf, whatever, because it's not super thick, but it is nice and cozy. I mean, it would make a pretty heavy duty scarf, but like as a little like shawl type of a thing, I love this box. This might be my favorite. I don't know, the pineapple one is pretty good too, but this is awesome. These boxes are so much fun. I don't even think I'm gonna use the gifting box. Sorry, friends and family, I'm keeping it all. All right, well, this is awesome. I will leave all of the information in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know, have you guys signed up for this box yet? What do you think? I love it. This is like one of my favorite lifestyle boxes. I think it's just so great, and every month it gets better and better. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!